Today, I'm introducing a space that welcomes you home. Warm, cozy, and thoughtfully designed.
ඔව් පට්ට apartment එකක්.
This is Marina Square, Uptown Colombo, located in Colombo 15, right next to the Colombo Harbour. Just 400 meters from the Katunayake Expressway, minutes away from the top Colombo hotels, malls, and amenities, this is the location to be. This is not just well connected, it is a place for future growth and opportunity. And then there's the view. Uninterrupted harbour lines, the ocean, and sunsets that change every single day.
මේ වගේ views ලංකාවේ වෙන කොහෙවත්ම නැහැ. මීට කලින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ocean views දැකලා ඇති. ඒත් මේ වගේ ලස්සන harbour view එක ඇවිල්ලා වෙනම experience එකක්.
With Port City already attracting a lot of international businesses, we are seeing a rise in expats, professionals, and executives choosing Colombo, which means one thing: the demand for well-located, high-quality apartments is only going up. If you invest in a two-bedroom apartment starting from around 68 million, your upfront payment is only 30%. Let's break it down.
Project එක 90% complete වුණාට full payment කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. මුලින්ම 30% ගෙවලා ඉතුරු මාස 3 හෙමින් installments වලින් ගෙවලා ඊට පස්සේ 60% මාස 3ක installments වලින් ගෙවාගෙන ගිහින් අන්තිම 10% handover stage එකේ ගෙවන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ.
Driven by rental demands by expats and professionals, you could rent out your apartment for $1,200 a month, giving you a 7% yield.
That's a strong rental return. If you're confused with these numbers, just give us a call.